In question number 9, the question is, if an ammeter is to be used in a place of voltmeter, then we must connect with the ammeter A. They want to know about that ammeter is used to convert into voltmeter. So it is very theoretical question. Correct option is A. A low resistance is connect in parallel. Low resistance in parallel. So the ammeter is converted into voltmeter. Okay. In question number 10, the magnetic field at the center of a current carrying circular loop is of radius r is b1. So b1 is equals to mu naught I upon 2r, and for b2 it is on the axis of current carrying coil, that is mu naught I and radius square upon 2, radius square plus again radius square to power 3 by 2. After getting the ratio, the correct option is A, that is 2 root 2. By solving the ratio of this, we can get the correct answer. This formula is of magnetic field intensity at the axis of current carrying loop. In question number 11, the question is, the self inductance of a solenoid of 600 turns is 108 millihenry. Number of turns are 600 and L is 108 millihenry. If number of turns are 500, then what is the value of L? So it is simple. It is N1, it is L1, it is N2, it is L2, and we know L is proportional to N square. Self inductance is directly proportional to the square of number of turns. So L1 upon L2 and N1 square upon N2 square. By putting the values, 108 into 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to 600 into 600 upon L2 upon 500 into 500. By solving the all data, we can get L2 is equal to 75 millihenry. That is option D. So option D is correct answer. In question number 12, the RMS current in the circuit of 50 Hz AC source is 15 ampere. RMS value of current is 15 ampere. Frequency is 50 Hz, and the current in the circuit after t is equals to 1 by 600 second. So we know I is equals to I naught sine omega t. I is equals to I naught is root 2 into IRMS. Sine omega is 2 pi f into t. I is equals to root 2 into 15 sine 2 into pi into 50, and the value of t is 1 by 600. So the final answer is 15 by root 2 ampere. Option A is correct. In question number 14, the given data electric potential, that V is equals to 3x square, and they want to know about the electric field at point 1 meter, at x is equals to 1 meter. Then E is equals to Ex is equals to minus del V upon del x. Ex is equals to minus 6x and Ex is equals to minus 6 volt per meter. So the correct option is A, 6 volt per meter along minus x axis. In question number 15, there is a diagram, and they ask about the correct diagram. So it is common. Option D is the correct option. In question number 16, the variable capacitance is connected to a 200 volt battery, then VE is equals to 200 volt, and the capacitance changes from 2 microfarad to X microfarad, and the energy is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule. So find the value of X. It is very simple. Change in energy is equal to E2 minus E1, and energy of a capacitor is given by half CV square. So the 2 into 10 to the minus 2, that is value of delta E, is equals to half C2, that is value of X V square, minus half C1 V square. 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 is equals to half into X V square minus half V square, and the value of C is 2 into 10 to the minus 6. After solving the above equation, we get X is equals to 3 microfarad. That is the correct answer. Option C is correct. In question number 17, a potential difference of 200 volt is maintained. The V is equals to 200 volt and our resistance is 100 ohm. So I is equals to V upon R, that is 2 ampere. We know I is equals to Q upon T, so Q is equals to IT, and Q is equals to 2 into the time is given that 1 second, the number of electrons passing through in it 1 second, so time is 1 second, so Q is equals to 2 coulomb. So number of electron N is equals to Q by E by the quantization theory. N is equals to 2 upon 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb, sorry. So the value of N is 1.25 into 10 to the power 19. This one is the correct answer. Option A is correct. In question number 18, they want to know about the impedance Z for LCR circuit, that is Z is equals to under root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. So option D is correct answer.